Booking a yacht in Phuket is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can book a yacht in Phuket, Thailand. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google and I'm going to search for boat around. Now, after searching for boat around, you have to go to this website, which is boataround.com. Now, here you simply have to search for Phuket. Now, I'm going to search for Phuket/Thailand and I'm going to click on search. And as you guys can see, it will give you all the boats or all the yachts that are available for the booking in the Phuket. So you can select one according to you. After that, you can click on view yacht and it will take you to the page. Now here, if you click on reserve, you can, reserve it by selecting any of the service that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy all of these services. After that, you have to select the right date. So as you guys can see, these are all the dates which are reserved. So suppose I want to reserve this date. So I'm going to select the date and I'm going to click on reserve. Now it will take me to the checkout section or it will want me to log in. So as you guys can see, you need to fill out these information and after that, you will be able to do that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.